Well, hello all you YouTubers. What I have here today is a unbagging of a Yagi antenna that I bought. It's the second one I bought actually. The first one I bought really surprised the heck out of us. Well, I still gotta take it out of the bag, as you can see. Let's get started, shall we? Maybe I should have took it out of the bag to begin with. But now you can see. That always works. Now hold on one moment. Let's see if I got a pair of scissors that might help out. I do. Just cut the top of the bag off. So that way it won't take 20 minutes to get into it. And I don't plan on sending it back, so I don't need the bag. There. The original one I bought, I think they had a 100-mile range to the nearest tower. But the closest one that I asked is about 42 miles. Give or take. In the hills and whatnot that surround us. Oh boy, we really packed this well this time around. It takes me an extra minute or two to get into it. It really bagged it well. Jeez Louise. I don't remember it being this well last time. I'm pretty sure I bought it from the same person. I have to look that up to double check. This is a long moment yet. Here we go. Well, here it is. Some assembly are required, of course, which only takes a few minutes, as I'm going to show you. That's the back part. That's the middle part, the shaft, where everything mounts onto. Here's where the magic really happens. This is what comes off the TV tower to your TV, which brings in all your local channels. Throw that back away. I love having a garbage can right close. And then, of course, I have a little baggie of hardware. Just a few little screws, odds and ends. Bare essentials. Not much to it. I drop stuff all the time. Don't need these, so these can just go in the garbage. But I will need this long bolt, the wing nut, these. Just, I gotta remember now. Should just pop together, I believe. I don't remember exactly how. Seems a little different than last time around for some reason. Here we go. I gotta figure it out. It's getting a little trickier. There it goes. Yeah, just like that. And then this part slides in here. I think it's one piece at a time though. Okay, that back part. That's it. Okay. We got it to this point now. My video cut out on me. I didn't realize it did. So now I'm going to put the shaft into here. It'll let me. There. There's a tiny little hole where this bolt goes into. It slides through. Yes, the first A little backstory. The first antenna I ordered was for my mother, and it worked absolutely wonderfully. It picked up all the local channels that she wanted. And then some. Surprised the heck out of both of us. And it even impressed my older brother, which is this. Who is this? This is what that's for. My older brother. One more. Okay, so you want to go ahead and tighten this bolt and nut down. How much as tight as you can get it. Without breaking it, of course. That wouldn't be much fun. It should be good. But like I was saying, I bought one for my mother. She absolutely loved it. It impressed my brother so much, he wanted one. So I ordered him one. I hope this does the same as it did for my mom, for him. We'll find out once I take it over to him and give it to him. But for now, I'm just doing an assembly. But yes, for a $13 antenna, it sure surprised us. Then this little box just assembles into here. Just like so. The little wing nut, just tighten it down. Just nice and hand tight. Oops, I gotta turn this around. I want the same as what I have for my mom for him. So that way I know it'll work. Should work regardless, but you never know. There we go. So yeah, I'll just do a video on this because it doesn't come with any instructions and there's really not much to it though either. I'm sure I could probably find some online or right here on YouTube, of course. Oh, there, nice and stumped. And then this is the mounting bracket that hooks to the antenna, which just basically goes on like this. Oop, just like that. What seems like. And then the U-clamp just goes through here, like any U-clamp does. And I'll just tighten these down so it stays with it. Really close nice and easy, so if you want long-term use, you might want to put a little Loctite on them. Once you get them close to the spot where you want them, you might want to add a little Loctite or thread grip. That way you can make sure it stays where you want it. Fingers don't want to work for the second one. Oh, I wonder if this nut's not bad. It appears that way. I'm going to make it work. It'll do. I hope. If not, I might just have to stop at the hardware store and get a new wing nut. Which wouldn't take much. But yeah, basically just tighten those down and there you go. Thank you for watching. But yeah, this little thing will bring in all your local channels. And lower to the ground seems like the better. At my mom's, I have it about 8 to 10 feet off the ground and picks up all the channels she wanted. And thank you for watching. Have a good night, or have a good day, or night, whichever it may be. But also, I'll be taking some video of it working at my mom's house so you can see all the channels she gets in the next few days to a week. I'll have that uploaded as soon as I can. Thank you. Okay. Part 2 of the Yagi 100-mile range hdtv antenna. There. I don't know how well you can see it. There it is on my mother's antenna. As you can see, she has that antenna up there. Only problem with that one is that a lot of the pieces are broke off. So she barely gets any channels with that. And it's surrounded by trees too. So, I'd say it's more like about 15 feet in the air, 10 to 15, somewhere in there. I'm not exactly sure. Well, that's where it's mounted at. As you can see, the antenna. Let's see if we can. Yep, there's the wire that's coming down. Comes down. She wrapped it up so it wouldn't sway in the wind. So that helps the little box hold up better. And the wire runs into the house along the ground here. Goes over to that side and then in. Well, let's go inside and I'll show you the channels. Well, resuming the video, I turned it or paused it so I could come in the house. Well, let's turn the TV on and I'll show you how many channels she gets. Whoa, that's bright. Here, I'm going to turn it sideways. So that's channel 3-1.
Holiday collection.
3-2.
Ready. Are you?
That's 3-3, but it's not showing very well. There it did for a second. My flash it. There's 15-1.
Hey.
15-2. 15-3.
Below average still.
15-4.
Three different sizes.
21-1.
Really that
22-2. 21-3. 21-4. 27-1. 27-2. 27-3. 43. One of our local channels, just out of the next town over. So that's still analog. They never went digital. Don't know why. 47-1. 47-2. 47-3. 47-4. 57-1. 57-2. 7-3. 57-4. 57-5. Oh boy. 57-6. 57-7. 57-8. And that's all of them. Wow, that's a lot of channels. Three more than I thought there were. Well, for $13 for the antenna, it sure worked out well. Oh, and also, she has a little booster, or just distribution box. It's 24 decibels, and it helps increase the signal strength, which really improved her amount of channels she got. Well, thank you for watching. This has been Unjust Turtle coming to you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it helps you decide on what antenna you want to pick out for when you decide to cut the cable. Thank you. Bye.